We'll guide you through how to create wave gradient in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, access the Windows Start menu on your desktop, and use the search bar to find Google Chrome. Once the browser appears in the search results, open the Google Chrome application on your computer. After the browser launches, click the address bar, type Figma, and press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, go to the official Figma website and wait for it to load. Before continuing, make sure you're logged into your Figma account so that you can access all available design tools and plugins. Next, start with a new project by clicking plus Design File from the Figma dashboard. After creating the file, the edit page of your project will open and display a blank canvas. To begin creating a gradient wave effect, click the Actions icon located in the bottom toolbar of the editor. When the Actions panel appears, select the Plugins tab to browse available plugins. In the search bar, type Gradient Wave and review the matching results. Look for the plugin called Wavecraft, click on it, and then select Run to launch the plugin interface. Once the plugin is open, you can begin customizing the appearance of your gradient wave. To change the color palette, click the Color Shuffle option and continue selecting it until you find a combination that matches your design preferences. You can also adjust the overall appearance of the gradient by using the controls available in the Gradient Settings panel. Experiment with the settings until you are satisfied with the layout, shape, and color transitions of the wave effect. After achieving the desired look, click the Add to Canvas button to insert the generated gradient wave into your project. To make the wave gradient appear smoother and more blended, go to the right side Properties panel, add a Layer Blur effect, and adjust the blur value according to your needs. Continue refining the blur amount until the gradient wave has a soft and polished appearance.